Yes, Commissioner.
Karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Yes,
Vanessa. Karibu.
Second seat. Babla ndiani.
Asante sana.
Kampani.
We also lost the other day one of our examiners also who was marking examinations. And we thank these Kalan Kenyans who have given their best for our children. We also had an incident in Wajir yesterday where a chopper crash landed at the Wajir airport. Lakini vile tulisema watoto wetu watajua mashule yenye wataenda kabla waende for Christmas. Siwezi sema mtihani itatoka kesho ama kesho kutwa, but I can say that we are on course preparing for our children to know how they have done. But the most important thing, because our schools are opening in January, is to make sure that they know the places they will have been placed in good time so that they can prepare, the parents can prepare in school fees and all the other things. But I can give our assurance that we are on course, our teachers are doing a good job in marking, and we are on course to deliver on the examination.